kailangan natin gamitin itong tissue para ma-brush siya ng tama. I don't have brush. I have a brush but it's not the proper brush. It's too hard. So, kailangan natin gamitin ng maayos na brush para maging consistent yung pagkaluto at makintab yung croissant. Anyway, meron pala kaming Obix ready-made egg wash. Ready-made egg wash. So we don't need to use fresh egg. So all you can do is add it in 1 liter. You have to add 200 grams of water, then mix it, and you have a soft, not thicky egg wash. Sensya na ha, gamit ko tissue lang para maging equal yung coating niya sa layer ng croissant. Actually, itong croissant na to ready-made croissant, frozen. Only you have to do is to thaw it in 1.5 hours. Then after 1.5 hours, you have to bake it at 175 degrees. Of course, you have to use steaming as well to become crispy. Pagkatapos ng coating na to, pagbabrush ng itlog, mamaya na natin iluto. Pa-dry muna natin ang skin niya bago natin ipasok sa oven. Yun. Now, hintayin lang nating mag-dry yung kanyang surface after bake. So now ito yung finished product. Crispy. Small, 25 grams. Mamaya kakatin natin kung ano yung layer niya. Okay? Wait lang tayo sa baking.